So if you're looking forward to create a digital marketplace that allows you to sell digital products, either stock photos, plugins, software, tutorial, ebook, font files, music, or any all-around digital product, one of the things you want to make sure is to use a theme that will make it easy for you to achieve that feel of digital marketplace. And more importantly, using a theme that is specifically designed for certain digital products will make your website look more presentable, more attractive, and more credible. Remember, it's either you are creating as a single user or as multi-vendor. That's if you're a single user, that means you want to upload your personal product, your personal digital product. And if you're you want to create a multi-vendor kind of digital marketplace that allows other creatives or other users to be able to create an account and sell their own digital product, then you want to make sure that you create a website that it looks very professional, and using a theme that is specifically created for some digital products will make it easier for you to achieve all of this. And that's why in this video I'm going to be sharing with you some of the best digital products WordPress theme that you can find on the internet. So I've taken our time to go through all of the available digital product themes that is on the internet, and I've streamlined them to the best that you can go ahead and pick any of them depending on what product exactly that you want to start selling. Okay, so do make sure you watch the video to the end. So before we get in, if you are new to this channel or you are yet to subscribe to the channel, kindly go ahead and click on that subscribe button to subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free to subscribe, so go ahead now and click on the subscribe button. Also, all the links are, to all the themes I'm going to be mentioning in this video, I'm going to leave a link to them in the description of this video so that you can just check out the one that you want and then you can get started with your digital marketplace website. All right, so without wasting much time now, let's get over to the video and start to explore one of the themes one after the other. All right, so to start with, one of the first themes that we are going to be looking at is It's Smart. I hope I pronounce that well, It's Smart. So that you can see your digital marketplace WordPress theme. So if you take a look at this theme, you see that it has EDD digital marketplace and WordPress theme. So if you want to come on this page, let's first of all look at the preview. If you want to add it to cart immediately, once you're on the page, you can just click on add to cart, either for any of the theme. There's an option to add to cart here to purchase the theme. Okay, so if you come over here, you can see the information here. You can use it to sell different digital products like stock photos, theme, plugin, software, audio, art, tutorial, music, all around digital products. Okay, these themes will definitely get that done for you. And to make it much more easier, if you don't want to start from scratch, you can see that they have up to 14 demo. You can see it here. We have different demo. We have the one for multi-vendor. That is the one that allows other users to be able to create an account and sell their product. We have for entrepreneur, we have software landing page, minimal general, and then minimal design. If you are looking forward to sell software, this demo can work for you. If you are also looking forward to sell creative like this for photography, audio mats, that's if you want to selling audio files. Okay, and then you can, and this is another version. This is the light version and this is the dark version. Okay, and then for photographs, so if you want to create a marketplace or a digital website that allows you to sell your photos, maybe something like stock photos, or maybe something like pixels, you understand? So this website also will do that. This is for video. This demo is for video. This is the dark version. This is the light version. And then we also have the one for graphics. Okay, if you want to create graphics, you want to create different form of graphics, generally different type of art and illustration. You can see this also. These two demo will definitely get that done for you. So if you also scroll down, you can see that this theme also offers 10 products single page. So this talks about how the particular digital product you want to sell, how they are going to appear. So there are different templates that you can choose from. You can see like about 10 of them that you can choose from. So if it's auto file, this is how it's going to look like. If it is okay, so if it is photograph, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to show you a preview of the photos, the price, and every information will be just beside it, and there's an option for them to purchase. So it's a clean and professional looking a professional looking theme rather. Okay, so product filters. So these are different way people can filter different digital product that you have on your website. You can see this has the filter option on the sidebar. This has it at the top. This one have it at the top also. This is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 columns. This is 4 columns. So everything is customizable. So you can see custom dashboard page. So this is how the dashboard page is going to look like in terms for the customer profile and then customer purchase So once they purchase all their downloads, there'll be a separate page where they can see all of their downloads. Okay. And then for vendor dashboard, okay, so this is what their dashboard is going to look like. So this is a preview of everything that you are going to be seeing, you are going to get when you purchase this theme. So like I said, I'm going to leave, if this theme is going to work for you, I'm going to leave a link to it in the description of this video so that you can check it out. So once you are here, you can also, after going through it, you can also click here to purchase it. All right, so that's the first one you're going to be looking at. So now let's head over to the second theme. All right, so right here now is the second theme. It's called Olam. You can see Easy Digital Download Marketplace WordPress theme. All right, so if you look at this theme, it works with Easy Digital Download. This is one of that Easy Digital Download is one of the plugins that makes it easy for you to sell digital products using WordPress. Okay, so you can see here it's also the same thing. Like you can sell audio files, video footage, stock images, icon and fonts, software download, build marketplace to sell prepackaged services. Okay, so these are some of the things that you can do with it. And in terms of the features, you can see Elementor drag and drop. So if you are a fan of Elementor page builder, then this theme works very well with it. 2 header layouts, dark theme version, custom build vendor page. So I'm just picking it randomly. Multiple preview images, sticky header option, video preview, audio preview. So that's if you are creating, if you want to be selling video products or audio products. So there's an option for your viewers to preview them. Okay, so this just lets you know that it works well with Elementor page builder. So if you're a fan of Elementor page builder, then do make sure you consider Olam theme. So these are more features that you'll find about the theme. And then also with Easy Digital Download, that's the meaning of EDD font end submission, EDD preview, point and review, and the like. So it has a whole lot of great features that will make your digital products, digital websites, selling websites easier and more professional, and create a good level of trust and credibility for users that will be coming over to your website to purchase your digital products. All right, so now let's look at the third one. So the third theme that we are going to be looking at is called Tijara. So Tijara Digital Marketplace WooCommerce theme. So this is the landing page you're going to be directed to. So if you click on the link preview, so let's check out the preview of this particular theme. All right, so this also has demo. So let's check out the demo together. Now for the demo, it has for the regular demo, which is this ones that you are seeing here. These are the regular demo. This is for stock footage and video effects, if that's the kind of marketplace you want to create. Then for stock photos, so you can see, so this is more appearing the same way you find it on Pixels and the likes. Okay, so if you are looking forward to that, and this is for royalty-free music and audio tracks. So if you want to create a website for, it might not necessarily be free, yours might be paid, but you can also work with this demo to create yours. So you can see well designed, just simple and clean, straightforward. It's not too much distraction. Okay, so that's for the regular demo. If you want to create a multi-page demo, now the meaning of that multi-page is, you have your own page. You're going to have you can see your about us, your services, your pricing, multi-page. Then that's where these demos come into place. All right, then we also have the RTL demo. Now the meaning of RTL means right to left. So that is for if you want to create a website in other languages that their texts are always written from left to right. Example is the Arabic. So you can see it here. So not all themes are actually compatible with that, but this particular theme, Tijara, is compatible if you are working on a website or you want to create a website that is not English. Okay, so it makes it much more easier like that. So again, just like the previous theme that we looked at, this one also works with Elementor. So you can see it, you can use Elementor Page Builder to customize the different section of your website. So here it says create multi-page full-fledged website using Tijara. So you can see it, you can customize your digital sites. And see these are other templates. Okay, so these are some other features. Full multilingual support. Okay, so you can also, if you don't want to create it straight up using right to left languages, you can also create it probably in English or any other language, and then there will be an option to also change the language. Okay, so another plugin that works well with it is the Docan multi-vendor plugin. So what this does is it allows, if you want to create a kind of site that allows other users to be able to sell their own digital products, okay, where they can come on your site, create an account, and also upload their own products. So with this theme now, it works with Docan very well, and then you can also achieve that. So these are the other features. One-click demo install, child theme included, browser compatibility. You can see Tijara will behave identically on Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, and Internet Explorer. So it works with some of the major browser, lifetime free updates, awesome support, easy customization. So these are just few of the features that some of the features that you're going to get with this theme. So this is a preview of the other pages, the blog section, and every other information there. Okay, so if this is the kind of themes that you're looking forward to, then you can go ahead and purchase this theme and get started with your digital marketplace website. So that's it. This is Tijara. So now let's look at the next one. All right, so the next one is called Meiosis Digital Marketplace WordPress theme. Okay, so you can see it here, create your marketplace with WordPress, feature on easy digital download. Okay, so now let's look at the live preview. So now this is a live preview. Say sell your digital download online. Okay, so for the demo also, now if you come over here, you want to check out the demo. This is if you want to check demo for photos, if you want to check the demo for multi-vendor, for kits, for stock picks, for music, for fonts, for ebook, for crafts, and then for arts. Okay, so once you click on any of these, you're going to see what the demo actually looks like for different kinds of digital products. Okay, but just the general overview about the plugin is what you are seeing here. Drag and drop builder, header and footer, so you can customize your header and footer. You can just play around with the colors when you are creating your websites. There are unlimited things that you can achieve with Meiosis. And they also have a good tutorial. They have a page that you can see how to install the theme and import demo file. So they also have tutorial to guide you through the process. That is if you want to use, if you're having challenges with when using the theme, and considering the fact that they have good support. Okay, so these are some of the demo. So Mayor Illustrator. So if you want to create a website that sells illustrations rather, so you can see it here. Mayor Soft. This one is for software. This demo is for software. If you want to be selling software, then you can consider this demo. Then this is for vendors. If you want to create a multi-vendor, if you want to sell graphics. Now this, you can see now this is looking like this design is looking like FreePic. Okay, FreePic is also a platform that sells graphics. Okay, and this is for video. So you can see that they have dedicated demo for each of those for different specifically for different kinds of digital products. Okay, so this is for photo, this is for music, and this is for Meiosis. This is another Meiosis stock pick. Okay, this is for fonts. So if you are looking forward to sell fonts, so you can also get this theme and then import this demo, and then you bring in your own kind of fonts, and then so that people can come over to the website to purchase from. This is for ebook. So if you are looking forward to sell ebook, there's a demo for you. Okay. So if you scroll down, you can see other sell with EDD or WooCommerce. So these are the options that you can use to sell. Elementor Page Builder, again, this also works with Elementor Page Builder. And then you can also use it for both single and multi-vendor marketplace. I've explained that earlier. If you want to be selling just to your own digital products, you can achieve that with Meiosis. And if you want other creatives or other users to be able to come to your website, create an account, and for them to sell their products on their own digital products, they can also you can also achieve that. Okay. So product templates from different products, and you can see. So these are the inner pages. So this is what the inner pages look like. Now, it's not compulsory you use their own demo. If you are very creative with WordPress, so you can also create yours. But once you use a theme that is specifically designed for digital marketplace or selling digital product, then it makes the design process much more easier. All right. So these are some other core features. I think I've mentioned them earlier. So apart from Elementor, so it also works with WP Bakery Page Builder. So that's another page builder. They have a their own header builder, multi-vendor store. This is just like a summary of everything that you are going to be getting. You can see get 150 design elements. And one thing about some of these elements is that if you are familiar with Elementor elements, use their own elements will, the effect will be different. Okay, so those are the advantages of using some of these premium themes to achieve premium design. Remember, like I said earlier, you want to create a website that once people come over to the website, from the look, they'll be able to, they'll have that trust that, okay, this site is legit and then it's genuine, and they will have that confidence in either purchasing your digital product or downloading, your digital products. All right. So this is it on Meiosis. So if you want to check this out, the link again will be in the description of this video. So guys, I hope you're finding value in this thing that I'm sharing with you. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you're still here to subscribe, please click on that subscribe button to subscribe to the channel. All right, so now let's look at the next theme. So before we move to the next one, I want to share with you hosting. So if you're creating a website, definitely you are going to need hosting. So that's one of the requirements. You're going to need an hosting and a domain. And right here, I'm recommending Hostinger to you. You can see it here, get 75% off. Hostinger is currently one of the best hosting platform that you can find on the internet. So I'll leave a link to it in the description. They are offering up to 73% off. So I'll leave a link to it in the description, like I said. So once you come over to this page, you can see there is an option to change your language. If English is not your first language, so just come over here and then you can change the site to whatever language that you are comfortable with. Okay, so once you are there, so just scroll down. Actually, there are three plans. There are three packages. We have the premium, we have the business, and then we have the cloud startup. All right. So if you scroll down, you're going to see the difference between all of those three packages. But the one that comes highly recommendable that I would recommend is the business plan. Okay, and remember, you're also going to get some 3% off with the business plan. So if you scroll down, you're going to be seeing a difference like this. You can use it on up to 50 websites. This is 25, and in terms, now the major difference is the storage. Okay, you can see this is offering 20 gig SSD storage, while this is 50 gig NVMe storage, which is much more better than just ordinary SSD storage. Okay, all right, so once you are here, just go ahead and click on choose plan. So if you come here and select your 12 months, okay, 1 month might not be too okay, but remember, if you select in 1 month, you're not going to be getting a free domain. Okay, and I believe 12 months is okay for you to be sure that, okay, you want to keep the website. And like, since the hosting offers the opportunity for you to create as high as 50 websites, that means you can create as many, up to 50 websites using just your single business hosting plan. Okay, so right here, you see your summary here. Now, the actual price should be $207.94, but because of this discounts, you're going to be paying $59.88. So once you are here, go ahead and click on continue. All right, so once you click on the continue button, you'll be redirected to this screen where you have to create an account with Hostinger. Okay, so you enter in your email and then your password, and then you click on register. So once you click on register, you'll be redirected to this page where you are going to enter your billing address. Okay, so you enter your name, your country of residence, your phone number, all of this information, and then you click on continue. So after putting it in, then you can go ahead and make payments. Now, one thing I also like about it is that it has different payments method. So you can use your card. So you can make payments with your card, your Visa, your Discovery, your American Express, and your MasterCard. Then you can also, there's option of PayPal, there's Google Pay, there's Alipay, okay? And then you can also use Bitcoin, okay? There's also Pay, so depending on your, and then you might also have more payment option depending on where you're actually accessing the website from. And then you can see it here, the total here is just 59.88, okay? So once you are done, then you submit your payments, and then you'll be able to log into your dashboard, then where you can continue with your website creation. So like I said, I'll leave the link to it in the description of this video so that you can take advantage of this 73% discount that Hostinger is currently offering. Apart from the discounts, hosting platform comes highly recommendable. Is that clear? All right. So guys, don't forget to check the description of this video for the link. All right, so now let's continue with our video. All right, so the next thing is called Codia. I hope I got that right. So Codia, this is for software and digital WordPress theme. All right, so for this particular theme now, so let's look at the live preview. So this is the live preview of this is for software and app multi-purpose theme. Okay, so this also has some demo, which let's check them out. So these are some of the demos for this now. All right, so let's start with this. This is for software. So this is for software. If you are looking forward to sell software, this demo is specifically designed for software, and this is for products. So if you look at it now, this is what it looks like. This is the demo here for this particular one. And then we also have another demo for application. Okay. You can see this demo offers playful illustrations and color, focusing more on application promotion. Why for this? You can see this demo focuses mostly on white and blue soft blocks with illustration neatly stuck together. All right. So this just has 5 demos. And these are the features that you can get: Google Fonts, 28 icon send, WP customizer, portfolio post design, WooCommerce, responsive layout, and then fast loading, RTL support. These also are different languages. We got you covered. So this also offers RTL support. Okay, like I said, that's for creating websites in other languages that are written from right to left, rather right to left, not left to right, from right to left. All right, so 9 different header styles. So these are the different header styles that you can achieve with this particular theme. Okay, easy change of color and fonts, and so new themes are in production. So these are some of the inner pages. So you can see what the inner pages looks like. Okay, so if you're also creative with your WordPress and with Elementor, you can also create something different. Okay, so this is the one that we're looking at again. This is the code here. So now let's head over to the next one. Okay, so this next one is Techland. So multi-purpose technology software WordPress theme. Now this particular theme, which is Techland, is not necessarily for selling digital products, but you can, this is more like digital services. Okay, you can see SEO, marketplace, app, VPN, SaaS, that software as a service, and the software itself. Okay, so this is what it's looking. These are some of the demo that you find on this particular thing. But you can also use it in to sell digital products. Okay, maybe software, application, or if you offer some of these related services. Okay, so this theme comes highly recommended. You can see, and then if you check out some of the demos, like you can see here, if you check out some of the demos, you see that it's a very great thing for selling digital products. Or if you are up, you can see for VPN is one of them also. So if you are looking, if you want to be going to VPN and hosting, so you can see that there's a demo for you to get it done. Okay, so if you explore it down, you're going to see software as a service. This is a landing page, and then app development, VPN or hosting, and then for SEO. Okay, so these are other digital services that you can also use this theme to explore. These are what some of the inner pages of the theme, and here you're going to see some of the features of this theme. All right. So let me know what you think about Techland. So let me know what you think about Techland in the comment section below. So another one like that is TechBiz. Okay. So now this is for IT solution and business consulting services. Now this might not be really selling digital products. This has to do with providing IT solutions or IT services. Okay. But I added it because these are digital service also. All right. So IT solution support and management. Okay, and you can also customize the theme to bring in some of your digital products. Okay, so if you offer IT solution and support, you might also want to put in some of the softwares. You might also want to sell software. You might also want to sell some digital products relating to some of the IT services that you offer. Okay, so that's why I'm adding it to this list. All right, so if you're into web designs, based on this demo now, so you can see software services, machine learning. So maybe you offer machine learning and you want to sell a particular course or a particular file that has to do with machine learning or software or UI or digital marketing. It comes very handy. Okay. All right. So these are some other demos offered by TechBiz. Okay. So this here is another demo, and then this is another demo. Okay. So all right. So the last one on the list on my list for digital products WordPress theme is Junko. So Junko technology theme for WooCommerce WordPress. Okay. So now let's take a look at the live preview. Now what you see here is more like an e-commerce website for tech product or for gadgets. But however, if you look at the layout and the design, you see that it's also suitable for selling digital products, either software audio files or video file. So the only difference there is that this is showing technical products, tech products. You can see maybe wristwatches, headsets, and the likes. But you can also make use of this theme and replace some of these products with some of these digital products. Okay, so you can replace them with either images or ebooks. Okay, so because you can see that the demos are great and very awesome. Okay, clean, straightforward. So you can use it in place of. You can use it to replace. You can use the products here. So like I said earlier, you can just change all the products, okay, to digital products, whichever digital product you want. Maybe you want to sell fonts, you want to sell ebook, you want to sell tutorial. This theme will actually work fine for you. Okay. And since it's also a WordPress and an e-commerce theme, what you just need to do is to upload your own digital products. Okay. So guys, I hope you find value in this. I've gone ahead to share with you all the things that I want to share with you. Let me know which one is your favorite and which one you'll be going with in the comment section below. So we've looked at Idmat, we've looked at Olam, we've looked at Tijara, okay, we've looked at Mayosis, we also look at Kodia, Techland, TechBiz, and then we also looked at Junko. Okay, so these are some of the things that comes highly recommendable if you are looking forward to creating a digital marketplace using WordPress. So if you find value in this video, please give the video a thumbs up. And again, let me know in the comment section which of these themes you are going for. And like I said, I'm going to be leaving the link to all of these themes in the comment section below, including the hosting that I mentioned in between the video. So thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you all in another video. Bye for now.